This video is going to show you how to make cornbread nice and moist and not all dried out. So first we have 2 boxes of the Jiffy corn muffin mix. I have 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of milk. To that we put 1/3 cup of cream corn. So after you get all the ingredients in, just mix it up real good. Just mix it all up until everything's all mixed together. After you get it mixed up, you're going to put it in one 8-inch square pan that's been greased. Then we're going to put it in the oven on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and we'll check it, make sure it's nice and golden brown. Our cornbread has come out of the oven. It is nice and golden brown and done. And it's been sitting for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to cut a little piece so I can show you how nice and moist it is. All because we put a little bit of cream corn in it. Look how nice and moist and fluffy it is. I hope you like my easy cornbread that's moist and delicious. Please like and subscribe to my channel and enjoy your cornbread.